What a trip. It's the night before Dayton, and there's a POTA operation happening here, and there's 4 or 5 operators. Man, I think they're wasted. He'll call QRZ, and then people just start piling on, and he'll start rifling through every call sign you heard, and they then K59, thank you, James 59. Then he off to the next and the next and the next. He'll work about 10 in a row before he calls QRZ again. It's a rocking good time. I worked him. My suffix got him. I used to call November 8 naughty kid. And he said, came back, I heard a kid in there, naughty kid.
This is Kilo Delta 9 Whiskey Hotel Oscar, and you are a 5-9.
Thank you, and stand by for third. This is Kilo Delta 9, Uniform Delta Victor, 5 and 9.
Yeah, Lima Sierra Victor, 59, thanks.
Roger, roger, thank you. Stand by for fourth operator. Kilo Echo 8, Papa Tango X-ray, you're both 5-9, 5-9 report.
You are a 5-9.
Fifth operator, Kilo Hotel 6 Whiskey India.
Fifth operator.
5-9, one of you is 5-7, you get to pick.
Sounds good, your boat. Sounds good. Thanks for
I want you to hear the pile up.
Is there 5 or 6?
There he is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on the car.
Sounds good.
Thank you, I got 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa. November, Corvette. Kilo 9, Alpha Juliet Charlie. Let's go with Juliet Charlie.
And people are getting crazy. The people working them are using all kinds of cartoonish, goofy voices and stuff. It's fun. I've never heard anything like it.
Very much for Hannibal, and I got a bunch of lotions on the skin coming for you. That's all for Kilo 8, Golf Quebec. You're 5-9. 5-9, Hannibal, Missouri. Kilo Delta 9, Uniform Delta Victor, 5 and 9. 5-9, Hannibal, Missouri. Kilo Echo 8, Papa Tango X-ray, and our leader is drunk. 5-9, Hannibal, Missouri. You guys take care of City 3. Kilo Hotel 6 Whiskey India gives the 5-9er, gets the hose again. 5-9 back at you. You guys take care of City 3. Thanks for having us, 73. You are dead.
He gives me a 5-9er, he gets the hose again. These guys got a sense of humor, man. They're having a rocking good time.
And fifth operator, Kilo 8, Golf Quebec, 5-9. 5-9, Terry. Kilo Delta 9, Uniform Delta Victor, Boomin, 5-9. 59, Steven. Kilo Echo 8, Papa Tango X-ray, 5-9. 5-9, PP Mess. Kilo Hotel 6 Whiskey India, 5-9, Aloha. Aloha, Eric, 59, New York City. You are dead.
It's unbelievable. I've never heard a pile up like that before on a domestic station. What a good time. What a good time. I've got a few videos to come. The Book of Bullshit and a look at 2 printed circuit boards that I built back in the day. One is conformally coded, one is not. You may be surprised. I hope someday all the hams come together as one. Phone ops, CW ops, digital ops. We have more in common than we have differences. I hope you're well. I hope we can all come together someday. I'll be back with the Book of Bullshit. 73, guys. Be well.